Alright, you guys got your little video on the 2007 Silverado. I have a problem with my freaking doors. All of them, they're saying that they're open, and the chime does not stop. I'm tired of that shit. So I saw a video. Supposedly it's gonna be these two wires, and this is what I mean about the crazy chime. You hear it? It's these two. Cut that one and cut this one. Let's try again. Seems like it. It fucking went away. It fucking went away. Yeah, we got some speed. It should be going off right now. It went away, brothers.